In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure email servers in Odoo. We'll be setting up both outgoing and incoming email servers so your Odoo system can send messages properly and also receive emails based on your workflow. This is especially useful if you want to connect Odoo to an external mail provider instead of relying only on the default setup. To begin, open Odoo and go to Settings, then General Settings. Once you're there, scroll until you find the Discuss or Conversation section. In that area, look for the option called Custom Email Servers, which may also appear as External Email Servers depending on your version. Enable that checkbox and then click Save. This step unlocks the ability to manage your own mail server configuration directly inside Odoo. After saving, stay in Settings and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. There, click Activate the Developer Mode. The page will reload automatically, and once it does, you'll notice a new technical menu available at the top. Developer Mode is required here because the email server menus are part of Odoo's technical settings. Next, go to Settings, then Technical, then Email, and select Outgoing Mail Servers. Click New to create a new outgoing server. Here, you'll enter the SMTP settings provided by your external email provider. Make sure each field is filled in carefully, since even a small typo can prevent Odoo from sending email. This includes the server details, authentication information, and any required security settings from your provider. Once everything is entered, click Test Connection in the top left corner. If you receive a success notification, that confirms your outgoing server details are valid and Odoo is able to connect correctly. It's a good idea to verify this before moving on, since outgoing email is essential for notifications, customer communication, and automated messages. Now let's configure incoming email. Go back to Settings, then Technical, then Email, and choose Incoming Mail Servers. Click New and then enter the required protocol properties for your mail provider. This is where you define how Odoo will connect to and read incoming messages. Under Actions to perform on incoming mails, choose the routing architecture that matches the way you want Odoo to process received emails. This determines what Odoo should do with those messages once they arrive, so select the option that fits your business flow. Finally, click Test and Confirm. This validates the incoming server configuration and saves it. Once both outgoing and incoming servers are working, your Odoo email setup will be ready to support smoother communication and better automation across your system.